Overcoming limiting beliefs about money is essential to attracting prosperity and living a full life. Here are 6 steps you can take to transform your money mindset and pave the way for abundance. Number 1. Identify your limiting beliefs. The first step is to recognize the negative thoughts you have about money. Ask yourself, what are my beliefs about money? Write down statements like, money is hard to come by, or I'm not good with finances. The simple act of writing these thoughts down begins to separate them from who you really are. Number 2, question where these beliefs come from. Often, our beliefs about money come from past experiences, our upbringing, or the environment we grew up in. Ask, is this belief really mine, or is it something I've picked up from other people, like my parents or friends? Understanding where these beliefs come from helps reduce the power they have over you. Number 3, replace these beliefs with new positive ones. Once you've identified and challenged your limiting beliefs, it's time to replace them. Create positive affirmations that reflect an abundance mindset, such as money comes to me easily, or I deserve to be financially prosperous. These new beliefs need to be repeated daily until they become second nature. Number 4, visualize your life with these new beliefs. Take a few minutes each day to close your eyes and imagine what your life would be like if you truly believe these new affirmations. See yourself living in abundance, achieving your financial goals, and enjoying a life of prosperity. Visualization helps reinforce these new beliefs in your subconscious mind. Number 5, surround yourself with positive influences. The people you surround yourself with and the environment you are in influence your beliefs. Try to surround yourself with people who have an abundance mindset and who encourage you to grow. Read books, watch videos, and join communities that share this mindset. And number 6, practice gratitude for what you already have. Gratitude is a powerful tool for changing your mindset. Be thankful for the money you already have, for all the opportunities you have, and for everything life offers you. This shifts your focus from scarcity to abundance and opens doors to new financial opportunities. By following these 6 steps, you begin to reprogram your mind for prosperity, transforming limiting beliefs into thoughts of abundance and paving the way for a healthier and more prosperous financial life. Did you like this content? If you believe that these tips can transform your financial life, don't forget to like it and share your experiences in the comments. And to continue your journey towards prosperity, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Together, we can manifest the abundance you deserve.